Okay, this is an unboxing of the unit pack battery I ordered from China for an electric bicycle. This is bought using the AliExpress.com system, and Unit Pack is a vendor that sells electric bicycle batteries. So I just received this from FedEx. It was delivered FedEx ground today, and this is from China. So here we go. We are going to open it up and take a look at how the battery is packaged and displayed. It's a 48-volt battery that comes with a charger. So it's very well packaged. It's got tape on every side. The delivery from China to the US was very fast. It took about, I think, 7 to 10 days. So that's pretty amazing. So it has a piece of foam here. And here is the battery. Wow, it's supposed to be 10 pounds. Unit pack power. So it does come with the discharge cable. It also comes with a charger. So that is the battery pack. And this is the case for the battery tube. And we got the cable, or the country-specific plug to charge the battery using the charger. So here are the keys. And this is the charger for the battery pack. So this charges into the charging port on the battery, and so I will test out the voltage before I charge it, and then also once it's fully charged I will test the voltage as well. So it is a 100-240 volt 50/60 hertz 2.5 max amps. So that's the charger. And what does it say? It came with some kind of a warning sticker. So the actual battery itself, like I said, it's pretty heavy. It's a long tube. £10. Comes with a key to secure it to the frame. It comes with a USB port here. This is the charging port. And this is the on-off button. So we'll charge this up and see what it's like.